girl. Oh, now you don't want the camera, huh? So she fighting for the camera. Hey. Come and get it, baby. Ew, she just spent all the time trying to get the camera. Now she walking away with it, something. Look, baby. Let's get it, Rose gang. This your boy Ross. And this little Kilson right here. Y'all hear Anastasia trying to... What we doing today, baby? What we doing today? We going to the beach, baby. Tell them. We going to the beach. Forgive me for the mess in the back. What is that? Oh, the baby stuff in the back. Stop! So here come my baby. Here come my baby. Here come my big baby Anastasia. My big baby. Here comes the other half. Yours? Anastasia gave me back my camera charger where I thought I lost. Where she had the whole time. And she just went and bought some new shoes today. I wonder where is my shoes, huh?
I said I was gonna get him some.
These little griffies. Oh man, I tell you, that's the life though. I'm finna go to the beach, right?
You gotta get Kim.
Oh, she don't want to talk to y'all today.
Ooh, what's up, Rose fam? It's your girl Anastasia. And it's your boy Rossi Ross.
Rossi Ross.
Anyway, sorry I look a mess. Ooh, the light. We are currently going to get food real quick because we are going to the beach with some friends. Oh, sorry, Kens. We're going to the beach, going to North Shore. We will be vlogging today's adventure. And sorry I look like crap, you know. You guys want to see Rossi Ross?
No, they don't.
Hold on. There's Rossi Ross, his ugly big head.
Yeah.
He's driving. And look at little Miss Kent. Hi, Kenta. Hi, Mama.
We going to the best spot in the world, McDonald's.
And here's her little, well, you can't see it, but she has a Minnie Mouse that her Auntie Gretchen and Uncle RJ got her. Oh.
You forgot his name, didn't you?
Yeah.
Uncle. RJ.
I'm trying to keep the sun out of her face. There we go. Put her up, and then she takes her blanket down. Baby, it's to cover the sun. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, Mama. Hi, Tinky Butt. You're so beautiful. Anyways, yeah, just y'all stay tuned for the rest of today. All right, baby. So see you later.
I hate going here by him.
Oh.
So I just ride past him.
Boo.
I just ride past him.
All right, y'all. We love y'all. Stay tuned.
I think us and the crew are lost. I think us and the crew are lost right now because we just drive around. I don't know. We'll see.
We're trying to go to North Shore.
Trying to go to North Shore.
North Shore.
North Shore. Our rock pile getting big. Huh? What? What?
Stop. She said, come here. I said, look at that.
I'm going to this one.
Huh?
You're not the Disney. Come on, guys. If I can go over here, then y'all can come over here.
Not with these rocks.
Yes.
It's only going this high for me, man. Get it, girl. She don't like this. She knows where she get it from, her daddy.
It's okay, yeah.
She ain't excited. Oh.
Okay.
I don't know. Jay making something crazy. Sat.
Come here.
Sat Rossi, what? That's Rossi. Huh? I ain't getting that water outside.
Shaq's rock.
Oh, then the water washed it away.
Now she likes it. Okay, Jay?
It's too many rocks right here.
That one almost got me.
All my friends swimming and I can't swim. Huh? Oh no, I'm good at my feet.
Because I'm in the ocean.
Huh?
Because I'm in the ocean.
I'm scared to get in the ocean. Look at him. It's crazy.
Stop, Mom.
Alright, act family.
No. No.
Alright, act family.
No. Rose fam.
We back here. She back here changing our baby.
Say hi, Mommy.
Say what's up, baby.
Hi, Mama. She has to be in a diaper because she smells like fish water.
Fresh water.
Fish.
Fresh water. Salt water.
Not fresh water, baby.
Huh?
Oh my gosh, look at her.
Look at the rose game.
She's trying to get the stuff in her diaper bag. Hold on, I gotta get. Kenzie, you're gonna fall out. I gotta get.
Today was a good day. Anastasia got mad cause she know I don't swim, but she's trying to maybe go in the water. Like I'm going to where I know I'm safe. If I don't feel safe, I'm not getting in that thing. And the waves on the other side of the island was high. Bruh, who finna get in there? I can't swim. I'm black. I'm black, man. She don't understand that shit. Hey, sit your back down, little baby.
She did. She knocked over her car seat.
What you trying to do? Get up here with me, baby?
Crawling. Her she was standing up.
Alright, y'all. We'll be back. Look at the new spokesman for the bubblegum. Ooh, look at her.
I'm sponsoring
Okay, she got her ugly shoes on. Ew.
Boy, if you don't. What? Hell no. To the no, no, no.
I'm looking for these rice cakes I saw on this Korean girl on YouTube. They look really good. They have cheese in them. Oh, that's not it.
Boom. I guess I'm a personal cameraman right now, so. Captain of the ship. Alright, Captain. I got you, bro. Yo, boy, I hope you look like this every day. Y'all see her little cheeks hanging out. Whoa. Look, you know she had to come down this aisle, boy. Her favorite aisle.
What's that supposed to be?
Your favorite aisle, boy. Oh, you heard me. I'm just kidding. Boy, that joker is looking at the ice cream like.
Oh, you already got that one.
Yeah. Oh man, boy, look how the parade rest looking at it. That stuff look that good to you? Girl, it can't be that good.
I want to try these.
That's a little good at all.
Not this one, but the vanilla.
Oh, girl. Oh, girl. Hey. Love me.
69 cents. 99 cents.
She looking at that nasty shit.
How much is the Valentina? Does it say that's it?
Crazy out there doing basketball moves. What? Yeah. Oh, that broke jump.
Lard. He uses in tamales.
These are the tamales.
Oh, this looks good.
Bueno nachos.
What's up, Rose fam? It's currently the next day. We never made an outro, so this is gonna be our little outro for the video. We hope y'all enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next video. It's funny. And don't forget, if you're new to the family, subscribe, like, share. Everybody else comment what y'all want to see next. We love y'all, and stay tuned for the next video.